Well, Lowndes County residents are facing bumps in the road while they wait for paving in some areas. One speed bump supervisors are having to deal with is the increasing cost of road maintenance.
Rising costs and materials have put several projects behind schedule. Our Keely Shields was at the meeting and she talked with the supervisor and county road manager about the increase in cost and what Lowndes County drivers can expect in their commutes. And she joins us live from the courthouse. Keely, what can you tell us?
Lowndes County stretches more than 500 miles and there are 100 roads that run through it. But many of those roads are in need of a major facelift. And with high maintenance costs, several residents aren't seeing the results they are wanting. Drivers are cruising for a bruising down many roads in Lowndes County. Lowndes County Road Manager Mike Aldridge says there are several factors slowing down their progress.
The biggest problem we're running into is first is cost for asphalt. You know, it's 40% higher than it was 18 months ago. The second problem we keep running into is equipment problems, and we've got pavers that this minor part's breaking down. We can't seem to put our hands on anymore.
In a recent meeting, the state engineer informed Aldridge that the heavy oil needed for a new paving equipment is in high demand and low supply. This is a major cause of the increase of asphalt, and that bigger cost is leading to smaller stretches of road getting repaved.
Used to, we could pave with the budget we got 10 miles of roads, 12 miles of roads. Now we're at 3 or 4 miles. 5 miles is all we can pave in a budget year. So people that was getting 5 or 6 roads paved in a district, now we're down to 1 or 2 roads in a district to be able to get paved.
Lowndes County District 3 Supervisor Jeff Smith says it's important that the board stays transparent with taxpayers about the paving progress and the bumps they have hit in the road.
We don't control vendors going out of business. We don't control the price of asphalt. What we do control is sharing information with the public so that they are aware of the challenges that we have with serving them.
With major industrial development west of the 10-Tom Waterway, many of the roads in that part of the county are used to transport needed commodities, and sometimes more progress of one thing means holding off on another.
With progress comes change. Sometimes that change is not necessarily immediately positive because you have more traffic on those roads. Those roads has to be maintained while we allow that progress to take place, to take hold. Those roads are being used probably 10 times as much as they've normally being used. It's taking a great beating on the condition of the road, but in time those roads will be repaired.
While the cost of maintenance may be up, the quality is non-negotiable.
We want the people to be able to say that when we do something, that we're doing it and we're doing it with quality, and it's there to last as long as it possibly can last.
The Lowndes County Road Manager says when everything comes together, it should only take a few weeks to get the projects they need to get done. Reporting live in Columbus, Keely Shields, WCBI News.